A storm system is bringing some wet weather to the eastern U.S. We're going to be tracking rain and eventually switching over to snow for parts of the Northeast. And headline worthy, in fact, a number of winter weather headlines have been issued as that storm system makes its way up into the Northeast. We're also tracking some fire weather concerns in California today and tomorrow. It will be sitting in the central and southern plains. But a cold end of the week. In fact, by Groundhog's Day, Friday, we'll have much of the central U.S. well below average. One spot that is dealing with some soggy weather today is Washington, D.C. Kind of a slate gray sky there floating overhead. Most of the moisture in the southeast is starting to fade. A little bit more down in Miami, up to a half an inch, maybe even 3/4 of an inch with some isolated rumbles of thunder. Eastern portions of North Carolina still picking up quite a bit of rain. In fact, that'll linger yet through tonight and early tomorrow. The colder air is settling in on the back side of that. We changed that over to some snowfall. And again, headline worthy, we're talking a few inches, enough for some shovels and plows. A few inches there in Buffalo, some of the higher terrain downwind of the eastern Great Lakes, and Boston, southeastern Massachusetts, maybe 2 to 4 inches with a winter weather advisory there. Parts of eastern, lower Michigan may see as much as 6 to 10 inches of snow as the storm system wraps up there. As we switch gears, we're talking fire today again in Los Angeles. We even had a small fire about 6 acres near Malibu earlier this morning. Red flag warnings continue there. We have a number of fire weather concerns in Texas and Oklahoma with, again, the winds really starting to pick up during the day tomorrow, but still some 60 to near hurricane force winds, 74 miles per hour in southwestern California. Red flag warnings have been posted in parts of Texas and Oklahoma on Tuesday. Look at this. Winds could be gusting up close to 40 miles per hour in Amarillo. Meanwhile, we have this next storm making its way through the northwest with some heavy rain in Seattle and Portland and high elevation snow.